Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Parliament AI. It's me, Usman Latoi, and today I'm going to let you know about the latest news that Cloud Code got leaked. Right, yeah, you might heard that on newspapers. As you can see here, like VOIID and so many other companies like talked about that, and it launched one day ago. Yeah, I'm super late, but yeah, I'm with the good like topics and things to discuss and show to you guys. So okay, if you want to test it out and you want to try out what's happened and what's going on, so you can visit this directory, that is Cloud Code by Yasa Banukar official, and you can see that they have assets and file and readme files as well, and they are like added this breakdowns is all available on this blog as well for better reading experience and UX. There is no chance this repo might be taken down. If you want to play around it or later archive it yourself, feel free to fork and bookmark external book link. All right. Important disclaimer: I do not leak this file. It's simply provided as a recommended way to access the study. Discover it for research purpose. All da, 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 da. So now you can see it like how this thing happened. Okay, source map contain the original source code embedded string inside a JSON file under the source content. So yeah, they were using this JSON stuff, and just because of that, it got leaked. Cloud Code CLI basically. Let's go back here, and if you want to like download it, you can do that as well. But the thing, this if you want to clone your dependencies and or if you want to run it and if you want to explore, let's see ranking and create it. Okay, discovery, this person did it, all right, and he posted that on X. Cool. And author of mirror a Yasas Benu, I mean this person. Okay, let's go back. Now if you want to test that on your own, you can actually read it. It has all the stuff that you are looking for. And let's go to the codes, then we have asset stuff, and then if I go back here, then we have a CRC with all of the files. You see that like there's so many files here. They have context and commands, tool, task, and vice, vim, utilities, and types tools. If we go inside the tools, we have all of these tools. Cool. And they were actually launching the birdie as well. Okay, if we go to the prompt.tst, and okay, this is a prompt that they are using actually a small sites beside the user input box, and you can actually comment in the speech bubble. You know that it's a separate watcher. When the user addressed it directly by name, its bubble will answer. Your job is the moment is to stay out of wave response in one line or less. Okay, this is actually what it's gonna do. Okay, it's not launched yet. It will launch in the future maybe, but yeah, this is the CLI, and yeah, you can test that out on your own if you want to test it. And it has like so many things if you want to build your own architectures and structure. Okay, now I mean, I of course I told you everything that's kind of boring. Let's go to this website. Okay, by the way, if you want to read it and you want to check it out, it's so full, and you can give that to the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will help you better to understand what actually going on. But we are here on this website, cconpact.dev. Cloud Unpacked, it tell basically what actually happening when you type a message into Cloud Code. Cloud Code CLI, by the way, the agent loop 50 plus tool multi-agent orchestrations and unreleased feature mapped straight from the source. Okay, the source code that got released, it has like 1900 files, 5 lakh and 519,000 lines of code and 53 tools and 95 commands. Let's explore it. Okay, first of all, the agent loop. The first we send the input, okay, and after that it send find like this is the message that it create based on the it's wrap that into this format, all right, in the JSON format of course. And then it's like go to the history, user set up a project structure. I will create a directory layout, now add the database, and now find all to do comments. And this is a new like message get pushed into the memory conversion array. Okay, conversation sorry, so it can keep everything in record, like what's going on, what's happening. And then it has like a simple system prompt from cloud.md to tool def and context and memory. Okay, it's combine all of them for context and system, and then it's loop from the API, our machine to the cloud API, so it can give the answers. After that, it's a token, like a raw token, that is I will search for the da, 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 and then it run into this format. This has this thing. So of course, and you see this is the bold system here as well. It convert that into this. Of course, they have render mechanisms. The way like MD files has this rendering system as well, and HTML as well. So tool detection, if tool use block found, find tool by name, can use tool execute. So this is the structure they use while tool detections, with tool to use basically. And if you want to read that file, you can click on it. Okay, you will move to this directory and you will see all the stuff. So yeah, we do have the Cloud Code files here as well. You can read out fully. And then we have a loop, tool execution loop, collect tool result, append to history, call the API again. So they have this system, like as you can see, APIs is looping through API, token, tool, and loop, and this is actually happen until we don't get the fully output. Then it's get to render. Okay, tool summary. Once everything is done and it understand what like after all the executions, it tell okay, this is the summary that found 60 to do comments across the code base, and this is what actually happened. It gives to the summary. Then we go to the hook, auto compact it to conversion into long extract memories in runtime mode. Run compact memory and not enabled, skipped. Okay, context visions is limited, skipped, and this is memory extract to do direct in pattern. Now we have await. Okay, now it's waiting for the new questions and new query that you're asking for. It's pretty much cool. You can see architecture explorer. The utilities files are 564, command 189, and all of these files, like there are so many. Personality and UX. Okay, these are personality and UX, by the way. uh, this Vice, Whim, Buddy, companion pet, easier egg with the species directory and personality. Okay, cool. And then okay, so you can actually understand what is for UI, and all of these three are UI. This is actually support and utilities. This is actually tools and commands. Okay, I have getting a point, so you can actually visit on your own. You can see that okay, this is the tool system they got, and these files are locked, experimental. Okay, this is system and tool, and this is planning, and this is like okay, these are locked, by the way. Now if you go down, we have like command catalog, have everything is here. Some of the stuff is locked here as well. Hidden feature, they have a buddy feature, a virtual pet that limiter transmission, you can read it out. Then they have Kairos as a persistent mode with a memory consolidation between decision and autonomous background action. Okay. Ultra plan, long planning season on Opus class model up to 30-minute executions window. Cool. And coordinator mode, and then bridge, then daemon mode, and the UDS inbox and auto dream. So I hope you like that. So it's really cool to see it out. And if you want to install that, you can install it. But this is just for solo educational purpose. I'm not supporting any like uh, leak or any others like that can be used in wrong hands. So yeah, here's a good news, guys. If you're looking for any company, those that can help you out when you are actually releasing your packets in the public, and you want end-to-end operational system, then Pearl Lemon is the one who can help you with this process. And if you can contact us, you can actually see in the description we have our email there, info@pearllemongroup.com. We have our booking calendar there, and if you want to check out our website, we do have that as well. We are specialized in everything like marketing, SEO management, and all of this type of like old era of the services as well. But we are specialized in the new era services like vibe coding, understanding context, and filling out what you're actually asking about. And we got the expertise, and we have like more than 100 plus of team members inside our company. So yeah, pretty much excited to see your projects coming. And yeah, this is a thing. And there might be some of the boring videos that we do on the like our on our like YouTube channel, but we do honestly we do have really interesting videos on our YouTube channel as well. So make sure to subscribe it, like it, and if you want to check out more videos, visit our channel and check them out. All right, have a nice day. Bye bye.